guys, nandito kami ngayon sa New Clark City and the more I research about this condo, mas na-realize ko na this place is for people with an active lifestyle. Sakto may kasama tayong team member na gano'n ang mga contents. Tara, tanungin natin siya.
Hey guys, I'm Coach Lex. I'm a fitness professional. This is the new heart of triathlon para sa mga gusto ng multisport.
Napapansin ko nga madalas dito yung mga contents mo. Ano ba yung mga activities dito?
Ang mga usual na activities dito, we have running, pwede kang mag-bike, and at the same time, pwede ka rin mag-swim. Kasi dito sa New Clark City, meron silang 400 meter standard track and field size. And at the same time, meron din sila Olympic size pool. Tapos yung bike route nila maganda kasi maraming ahon, and at the same time, marami ring pasulong. Dito kasi since bago pa lang siya, wala pa masyadong mga sasakyan. So mas safe dito mag-bike. Kung atleta ka, ito yung perfect place talaga. Lalo na sa mga nagsisimula actually. If you want to try triathlon, ito yung perfect place to start with.
And I heard maraming ang mga ginaganap na events dito. Ano yung mga sinalihan mo ng events na yun?
Last year, yung team ko, nag-participate kami dun sa relay ng triathlon and pinalad naman kaming manalo. 5-kilometer run, 40-kilometer bike, and a 1-kilometer swim.
Meron tayong condo project dito. Would you think this project is perfect for people who has the same lifestyle like yours?
This is the perfect place actually for the people who lives an active lifestyle. First time ko nga ito makita, pumasok agad sa isip ko. Kasi super convenient niya. Kasi paglabas mo pa lang ng bahay mo or ng condo, available na agad yung track and field. So it's a 400 meter, no? Diyan pa lang pwede mo nang makuha yung daily mileage mo. Actually, kung ako lang, sobrang solid na ito for investment. Sobrang daming mga ginagawang events dito. Yun nga, unang-una na yung mga triathlon events, mga workout events.
Hindi lang sports events yung ginaganap na dito. They are also accommodating mga concerts, hot air balloon, and of course, marami pang paparating yan. Nung nakaraan, ginanap dito ang Enhypen. So if you will consider this as your first investment property, syempre hindi lang yung mga katulad ni Coach Lex ang mga potential buyers or target market natin dito kasi people are going here at New Clark because of the upcoming developments. You can consider this condo project whether you wanted to stay here, Airbnb, or you want to rent it out.